Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we are going to discuss why women are better forex traders than men. As you all know, no bullshit, straight I dive into the topic. I'm not here to make my YouTube views or something like that. It's just, to be really honest, why I've created this channel is to just get distracted. My trade setup was there today and I made a trade. It was a take profit, a very small profit, but that's it. And the rest of the day, I will wait for the next morning, the next setup, which is going to be made in the New York Open. Until that time, I am here on YouTube and making videos here and sharing my knowledge and experiences, what I have seen throughout my journey. Now, whenever I was researching on this topic, I came across a lot of things. Now, why women are not into trading that much? Why we always see men who are in trading? The fact which I just researched, that is just because the charts, the graphs, the display side of trading, it's quite boring. And I must say, boring is a very small word which I'm using. It's very, very boring. Women, they need something new and exciting, and in which there are a lot of colors. Their psychology is based on something in which they want to explore more. But trading says keep it simple, and that is your key. So if we come onto the topic, that why they are more successful even though there are very less women in trading, the first point I gave you and I researched was they do not like boring stuff, but they don't know if they are into trading they can make a lot of money. So the first reason why they are more successful even though there are very less women is the risk management. If something has been told to the woman that your stop loss needs to be this, you cannot go further. The tendency in the woman to understand and to manage risk management is way better than men, and they are very good. So the first reason is they are better in risk management than men. And I'm not talking about particular age group or a particular geographical location. They could be from anywhere, from Australia, Canada, US, India, China. The women psychology is different than the male psychology. And then is whoever is their ideal, they will follow, and their ego in terms of making money. The second reason I'm telling you again, whoever is their ideal in trading, they will exactly copy paste of what they have been told to, and their ego in terms of making money will not come in between at all compared to men. So that's why if men are trading and they are very close to hit their stop loss, they will and they know that the stop loss is going to be, it's inevitable, it's there and it's going to hit your stop loss. And that stop loss, men will close their trade before hitting the stop loss, because their ego comes in between, that I am not here to see my stop loss to get hit. So the second factor is the ego in making money, and men don't want that. And the history says, now there is a company, and that's a broker as well, capital.com. Now their research finding shows and other studies that they have done between male and female over 10 years. And also a Fidelity investment study. Fidelity is an American company, it's a hedge fund, they run a lot of things. Found that women earned higher returns than men when investing. Typically 40 basis points more, 0.4%, you can say, they earn more than men who were in trading. And this is the data. And the data from the Vanguard covering the first quarter of 2020 showed that even though women traded less frequently than men, they still got better results. See, Vanguard is another big name. People who are associated, they can Google it. So overall, female traders outperform men because they are more patient, conscious, and disciplined. Their success has also been attributed to their higher financial literacy and education, particularly in the Asian market. Now, the Capital.com also found that 37% of male traders have bachelorate or master's degree versus 50% of women. So these are the numbers which are showing the facts. It's not the ego which comes in. They are more disciplined, they are more conscious, but the sad part is why they are not into trading that much. The only reason I found over the internet and in my research is that the actual function of trading, how trading is done, MT4, MT5, C Trader, Trading View, the charts, they look very boring to the women, and that's why they are away from this market. But in compared to men, when they saw that in trading you can make a lot of money, but it's also very risky, men still jumped in because they have more greed to earn more money in comparison with the woman. You know what I'm saying? So the ego of entering into the trading came even before making a single penny or a dollar. That this industry is going to give me more money, I'm going to learn this. But on that very first day, men were failed to understand that this is not an easy path. If I tell something, I train a woman and I train her, this is the strategy, she will execute the same strategy way much better than I do. Chances are, as the study shows of Capital.com, that she will take less trades and make a consistent earning than me as a man. I would struggle to work with my stop losses. I would struggle to work with a single strategy. I will struggle to learn a lot of things. But eventually, if we do the maths and the study, as the big names suggest, that the success, if they are more into trading, the question is if. The only reason they are not getting into trading is just because the actual visuals, the display, the requirements to do trading is itself boring, and we all need to accept, yes, it is boring. It's just a couple of charts, buy low, sell high, that's it. When we scale it up, and when we further go deep down into this, it's a different world. So I hope this video will help you out, and all the women out there, it's my suggestion. It's boring, but you guys can make more money than men, and studies have showed this. So if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel for this knowledge, and see you up in the next video. Bye bye.